Hi, Gail Tynefield with Texas Tornado Boot Camp. Today we're going to shoot the Glock 2145 automatic pistol. Let's try it right left. I'm going to get back 10 steps, 10 paces, 10 yards, whatever. And I'm going to shoot the, I'm going to try to shoot the clay pigeons off the top of the steel without knocking them over. It's hard. One. There we go. Well, that was fun. Glock 2145. I like Glocks. They're lightweight. Parts are interchangeable amongst most of their models. 5.5 pound trigger pull, which is nice. Pretty light. And every shot feels the same. It's the same trigger pull every time. Glock 21.